How to start a return on Adidas. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are providing you with a simple step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up for the official return process, and here's a step-by-step guide for that. So we can head over and go to adidas.com, or we can directly go over and look out for Adidas returns and hit enter, and we should be finding this site that we can click on. And this site opens up. Here you can look out for the eligibility, etc., that the items must be returned within 30 days of delivery, and items must be unused, unwashed, and in original packaging, and some items cannot be returned. Now once we are in this page, we can scroll down, and if we want to return our online order, we can click on this option called start a return. After that, we can sign in with the account that we used to place the order, and we can place in our order number in the section, and right below it provide in the email. And once you have done so, in this option we can select this option called start and exchange or return, and click on the option called continue and choose a reason for the return, such as wrong size or you have changed your mind, something like that. And Adidas will offer a few options depending upon your country, such as prepaid, return level, drop off at partner locations, courier pickup, and many more. You can pick up the items very securely in the original packaging and include all the tags and documentation. In that way, you should be able to do it. So that's it, everybody. For now, you can follow this method if you want to start a return on Adidas. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.